All right, so in this installation step, we'll be preparing database. Uh, so we'll be installing database the terminal way because this is much easier and simpler way for me. So let's get going. Let me switch to sudo uh, because it's easier this way instead of putting every command, putting sudo in front of every command. All right, so let's do MySQL for user root. Okay, so MySQL is here. Uh, let's go ahead and create database. Create database WordPress. Uh, name it whatever you want, but do remember it, okay? And use semicolon after every MySQL command. All right. So this one is done, and then uh, let's do grant all on WordPress. WordPress is our database name. Grant all WordPress is our database. We need to um, grant the user all privileges and create our user grant all WordPress. So this is star. We need to include all the tables too. So this is the username, WordPress admin, and this is the password. So make sure you are doing it with the correct format, and there's a semicolon in the end, and there you go. And then you just quit it, and uh, that's the main setting. And then we'll do MySQL secure installation. All right, so it's asking for validate the password plugin. Uh, for this guide, I'm going to select yes and choose low password setting. But you should always make sure your password is strong or at least medium. So for this guide, I'm going to choose low. All right, and it's asking for the password. Uh, you can choose whichever password you want, but always make sure you remember it. Okay. Do you wish to continue the password? Yes. Okay, so remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. Yes. Remove test database and access to it. Yes. Reload privilege tables now. Yes. All done. That's it. Your database is all set and MySQL is secured. Make sure you remember the passwords you've used in this line. I'll show you um, this one. All right, just remember this. Note it down. Keep it secure. Okay. Let's